how to fix Instagram confirmation code. So hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the confirmation code on your Instagram. So there is two ways to fix this problem, so please keep watching until the end. The first way is go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps right here. And now all what you have to do is go to the apps manager, go to the Instagram, and then all what you have to do here is very simple. Click here on the storage option, click on clear data and clear cache, then go back again, click on force stop, and now all what you have to do is click on the power usage details, scroll down until you find this force stop option and click on it. Now this is the first way and it must be working. The second way is just make sure that your SIM card is not expired yet. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.